Children, in this part of the chapter of West Bengal, we are going to study about the ports of West Bengal. Now, a port is actually a town with a harbor where ships load or unload, especially one where custom offices are stationed. A large hinterland often backs a state that owns the coast. Now, West Bengal is endowed with two most well known ports of India, which are called the Kolkata port and the Haldia port. Now, firstly, coming to the Kolkata port. Now, the Kolkata port is a riverine port that is located around 203 kilometers from the sea. It is the oldest operating port in India, constructed by the British East India Company. The port has two distinct dock systems. Now, Kolkata docks on the left bank of Hooghly River, that is Khidirpur dock and Netaji Subhash dock at Kolkata, and a deep water dock at Haldia dock complex at Haldia. Now, coming to the hinterland of the Kolkata port. Now, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Northeast Hill states and the neighboring countries of Nepal and Bhutan falls within the hinterland of this Kolkata port. The port has the largest dry dock facility in India. Repair work and maintenance needs of vessels are done here. For navigational assistance, the port has several lighthouses, namely the Sagar Lighthouse on the Sagar Island of Daryapur Lighthouse, situated on the right bank of the Hooghly River, south of Roshulpur River. Now, the next port that we are going to talk about in West Bengal, which is another very important, is Haldia port. Now, Haldia is another port in West Bengal. It is due to the oversiltation of the Hooghly River, the Kolkata port is not able to function properly. So, to relieve Kolkata port's workload, a satellite port has been created in Haldia, which has become very operative. Now, it is a major seaport about 50 kilometers southwest of Kolkata near the mouth of the Hooghly River. Now, in this slide, you can see the location of the Haldia port in Bay of Bengal. Now, Haldia is mainly developed as a trade port of Kolkata port. It mainly deals with the bulk cargoes. Now, Haldia is a city and a municipality in Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal. The Haldia townships is bordered by the Haldi River, an offshoot of river Ganga. The industrial city of Haldia has several factories like South Asian Petrochemical Limited, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is IOCL, Exide, Shaw Wallace, Tata Chemicals, Haldia Petrochemical Complex, Hindustan Lever, and many others. So these are the major ports that we have just now done about in West Bengal, the Kolkata port and the Haldia port. So I hope you have understood this part of this chapter of West Bengal. So we will again deal with the next part, that is the tourist sites of West Bengal, in our next class. Thank you.